The Bellini is a classic Italian cocktail known for its delightful peach flavor, refreshing bubbles, and elegant presentation. It originates from Venice and is often associated with celebrations and elegant gatherings. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces. Peach puree. Fresh white peaches are ideal, but you can also use high-quality peach puree or nectar. 4 ounces Prosecco. This Italian sparkling wine is key to the drink's effervescence and lightness. For equipment you will need champagne flute, bar spoon, jigger. Here are the instructions. Chill your champagne flute in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes or in the freezer for a few minutes. Pour 2 ounces of peach puree into the chilled champagne flute. Gently add 4 ounces of Prosecco into the flute, pouring slowly to preserve the bubbles. Stir the mixture lightly with a bar spoon to combine the peach puree and Prosecco. Serve immediately, ensuring the drink remains well chilled. The Bellini was invented in the 1930s or 1940s by Giuseppe Cipriani, the founder of Harry's Bar in Venice. Its unique pink color reminded him of a toga worn by a saint in a painting by 15th-century Venetian artist Giovanni Bellini, hence the name.